There are substances on this planet so valuable that all the money in the world isn't enough to buy a single handful. These are the top 50 most expensive substances in existence. Moving into copper and silver, we see the metals that power our modern world. But look at this, printer ink. A liquid more overpriced than vintage champagne. Then there's saffron and almost caviar, the culinary gold harvested by hand. Gold, the world's most trusted asset, doesn't even make it into the top 30. From rhodium to Martian meteorites, we've left normal earthly prices behind. By the time we hit Deathstalker venom or tritium gas, a single gram is enough to buy luxury car. Helium-3, the future of lunar energy. Followed by rare gems like pinnite and alexandrite, stones far rarer than true love. Even Apollo moon rocks are here, a substance that's literally illegal for a private citizen to own. But notice the price explosion with gene therapies like Zolgensma and Lenmuldi. 1 gram of these could buy an entire elite neighborhood in cash. Up to the Bennu asteroid sample, space dust older than the Sun itself. This is the top 10. The territory of millionaires and billionaires. Imperial Jadeite and the Musaif Red Diamond. A single gram of these is equivalent to owning a private island in the Caribbean. Californium and endohedral fullerene are laboratory miracles costing hundreds of millions. Then there's technetium, a medical essential that vanishes every 6 hours, yet costs as much as a city's healthcare budget. Now, watch the gap. Actinium-225. A nuclear bullet for cancer, enough to buy the largest Bitcoin mines. followed by polonium, the invisible ghost of espionage, enough to buy one of the world's largest gold mines. And at number 1. Antimatter. 1 gram can level a city, but the price tag is even more explosive, $62.5 trillion. That is enough to buy the entire country's even United States. If you held 1 gram of this in your hand, what would you buy first? Let us know in the comments, and subscribe to see how deep the rabbit hole of wealth goes. See you at the top.